This is not just a vehicle. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of the future, a machine that shouldn't even exist on today's roads. But what you're looking at right now is a concept that completely redefines what a motorhome can be. Now imagine this. What if a brand like Range Rover decided to step beyond luxury SUVs and build something like this? Imagine driving down an empty highway and suddenly this giant multi-level beast appears beside you. It's not a truck, it's not a bus, and it's definitely not a regular RV. It's something far more extreme, a luxury machine built for those who don't just travel, but dominate the road. The first thing that grabs your attention is its aggressive design. That deep metallic red body, those massive wheels, and the stretched, layered structure that almost looks like a moving building. This isn't designed to blend in. It's designed to turn every single head it passes. And honestly, it carries a presence you would expect from something inspired by Range Rover. Bold, premium, and impossible to ignore. But here's where things get even more interesting. This motorhome isn't just about size, it's about presence. The front section alone looks like a futuristic supercar, low and aerodynamic, as if speed still matters even when you're carrying an entire house behind you. The windshield wraps around like a cockpit, giving the driver a commanding, almost pilot-like view of the road ahead. And then you notice something unusual. The stairs, right there on the side, leading up into what feels more like a luxury lounge than a vehicle. This tells you immediately, this machine isn't just built for driving, it's built for living. Now imagine stepping inside. Instead of the cramped interiors you'd expect from traditional RVs, you're walking into a multi-level space. Upstairs, a panoramic lounge with massive windows where you can sit back, relax, and watch the world move around you. It's like having a penthouse, except your view changes every second. Downstairs, you can picture a fully equipped living space, plush seating, ambient lighting, maybe even a smart entertainment system built into the walls. Every corner designed for comfort, not compromise. And if this really were a Range Rover concept, you already know the level of craftsmanship would be on another level. And let's talk about those multiple axles. This isn't just for show. A machine this large needs serious support. Those heavy-duty wheels are built to carry enormous weight while keeping the ride stable. It's the kind of engineering you'd expect from military-grade transport, but here it's been transformed into something luxurious. Now, think about the kind of person who would own something like this. This isn't for an average traveler. This is for someone who wants attention, someone who doesn't just arrive at a destination, but makes an entrance. Whether it's a celebrity, a high-end traveler, or someone living the ultimate road life dream, this vehicle becomes part of their identity. And yet, there's something even deeper about it. This motorhome represents a shift in how we think about travel. For years, people chased bigger houses, better locations, fixed lifestyles. But machines like this suggest a different future, one where your home moves with you, where you're not tied to one place, but free to explore without ever giving up comfort. You could wake up next to a mountain range, have breakfast by a lake, and fall asleep in the middle of a desert, all without ever leaving your home. That's not just luxury, that's freedom. But of course, something like this doesn't come without challenges. Fuel consumption, road limitations, parking. This isn't a vehicle you casually take into a crowded city. It demands space, it demands planning, and honestly, it demands a lifestyle that most people can only dream about. Still, that's exactly what makes it so fascinating, because it pushes the limits. It asks a simple question: what if travel had no boundaries? What if your home wasn't something you stayed in, but something that moved with you, adapted with you, and evolved with your journey? And maybe, just maybe, this is what the future could look like if a brand like Range Rover ever decided to take things to the next level. A world where vehicles aren't just for transportation, but complete living ecosystems on wheels. So the next time you see something like this on the road, just remember, you're not looking at a car, you're looking at a moving lifestyle. And honestly, if Range Rover actually built this, would you live in it?